Hey there, I'm Jody Marks from Today's Homeowner. You know, I love doing outdoor projects, but the downside is they're not always done, because once you finish one, you got to move on to another because you keep beautifying your backyard or your outdoor living space. So it's ever evolving. Well, take a look at what this homeowner did. He had a nice chair and fire pit set up in his backyard, but it was on top of the grass. So every time he needed to mow the lawn, he'd have to move the chairs out, and then of course the grass would get trampled over time with use. So he came up with a really simple surround so that it would eliminate both those problems. He started by drawing out the curved shape of the patio and excavating a few inches of soil from the space. Then he created a border using some paver blocks left over from his flower bed border. These blocks only need to be level with each other, so a few taps with a rubber mallet did the trick. Next, he filled the space with bagged paver base material and graded it so it was a couple of inches thick over the whole area. Then he spread small pea gravel over the loose paver base before compacting the two together with a huge tamp. I think the end result of this is a win-win for the homeowner, because take a look at this. I personally think that this looks like exposed aggregate concrete slab, which I love that look. It's non-combustible, which is perfect for his fire pit. It's low maintenance, if any maintenance. He doesn't have to move the furniture out to cut the grass. Again, this is a great little project. It's inexpensive, maintenance-free. I could hang out here year-round.